Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant on Monday said that Hamas has lost control of the Gaza Strip that it has ruled for 16 years. The defense minister's claim comes over a month after the Palestinian group launched a surprise attack on the nation, firing over 500 rockets. Hamas has lost control of Gaza. Terrorists are fleeing southward. Civilians are looting Hamas bases, he said without providing evidence. They don't have faith in the government anymore, Gallant added in a video broadcast on Israel's main TV stations. On Monday evening, the army said forces raided Gaza City's Rantisi hospital, which treats children, and that Hamas operatives had been holed up there. It said it had evidence indicating hostages were held there. Underneath the hospital, in the basement, we found a Hamas command and control center, suicide bomb vests, grenades, AK-47 assault rifles, explosive devices, RPGs and other weapons, computers, money, etc. Spokesman Daniel Hagari said in a press conference. The military also said it had killed a group of gunmen who had fired on troops from another Gaza City hospital, publishing footage of the incident. It announced that it had killed a number of Hamas commanders in airstrikes over the past day and provided details on its efforts to eliminate field commanders and disrupt the terror group's operations in the Gaza Strip over the past few weeks. The war began on October 7 when Hamas gunmen rampaged through Israeli towns. Around 1,200 people died and 240 were taken as hostages, marking the deadliest day in Israel's 75-year history. In retaliation, Israel launched its campaign to eradicate Hamas last month following the declaration of war and ground assault. As the ground invasion continues, thousands fled Gaza's largest hospital over the weekend as Israeli troops encircled it, and doctors said gunfire and explosions raged all around it on Monday. The hospital currently lacks electricity, water, food, medicines and equipment, posing a grave danger to the lives of newborns there. Israel has been consistently rejecting growing calls for a ceasefire in Gaza. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has demanded that all of the more than 240 hostages captured by Hamas during its October 7 attacks are returned in order for him to consider a ceasefire.